Hey folks, before you is the Crypto Flash V2.0 program where you can mine 4 different cryptocurrencies. Today, I'll show you how to mine Binance Coin BNB. To get a one-day trial, just head over to our official Telegram bot via the link, select the program, and follow the instructions. Launching Crypto Flash V2.0 is a piece of cake. All you need to do is choose your mining power and enter your wallet address. By the way, watch out for fakes and scammers. The real cloud mining solutions are only available through our official Telegram bot, t.me/crypflash_bot. Click the link to test or purchase our unique software for $1,500 with a lifetime license and support. Don't miss out on the chance to start mining crypto easily and conveniently.